day, guys. What a day. We're at the dealership. We got a Lexus. It's a tough start to this one, I'm not gonna lie. But it's alright though. Y'all probably wondering, what's going on? Why is this car on a tow truck? Yeah. She didn't break down, ironically. Bumper off. She did not break down on me. She's just missing a couple stuff. I got my stuff stolen. That's a long story, man, but short and to the point, my stuff got stolen, so now I gotta replace it. Gotta replace everything. These are the things nobody like to show. They don't like to show the hard part. She still look mean without the bumper, bro. So tough. This guy's been very pleasant to work with. He's been taking real good care of the car. So I'm gonna get his information, and anybody local to, I guess, I don't even know where they're based at. Anybody Southeast Louisiana, hey, when I get this, there's stuff right there. Boom, there you go. Right there, you feel me? Taking real good care of the car. This car is so low, I was still scraping the air ducts. I know y'all saw that. Man, look at that. That's kind of crazy. Like, if y'all look real close, you can see all the suspension done. That's so fire. I'm all on the shoulder, not paying attention. 10,000 subscribers, I'll wide body my car. On me. That's on me. 10,000, I'll wide body my car and twin turbo it. It's a nice little Subi. Look at the titanium tips. Come on, man. Wide body with the, what's that, 285s? That has to be like a 10.5-inch wheel. That looks kind of tough. Color crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Stuff happens. These are the lows. Nobody show on camera. So sometimes everything's not all peaches and cream. But I'm not gonna lie, God is good. God has been amazing to me this week. This was probably a tough week. This has been a real tough week for me, but I've had people from me lift me up. People who are watching this video. So I thank God for them. They know they wrong for that. They know red my favorite color. They put that red car in the middle. They know they wrong for that. Look at this RC. It's not an F though. Oh snap. It's a pink Camry. That wrap kind of hard. I think Sarah would like that. Goodness gracious, bro. Y'all gonna... It's the Camry. It's the Camry. Watch out, they got 3 of them boys. They got 3 of them boys. You gotta be careful, man. They got 3 of them boys outside. I'm glad I'm not in a Lexus right now. I would be looking mad suspicious. I got the I'm sorry plate on. Wake up. Anyway, I got the sorry plate on. I have no bumpers. We down horrendous today, man. That Camry kind of tough, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, we're back at the dealership. Before we go inside, I see one of my dream cars over here. Man, son. I hope that's not for somebody. Man. That thing tough. That's top 10, I think. I have a whole list of dream cars, guys. The LC500 is in there. I don't know if it's top 10 though. Top 20 for sure. But man, that joint tough. And that red. Man. Excuse me. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, man. I know they was so confused to look at all of this in here. There's nothing like, man, what's wrong with this man's car? They called me saying, does he know there's like, woo? Oh my gosh. I haven't heard this car in a week. I haven't heard this car in a week. Y'all already know what it is, man. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jesus. Man, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. Life is too short to let it get you overwhelmed. And it's, man, look at this thing, bro. This is for somebody. Sheesh. I love this car, dog. This color is so tough. Oh my gosh. Look at that, bro. That thing is tough. That thing tough too. But yeah, man, life is too short to like be overwhelmed by things that's not in your control and things you can give power to, especially for any believers watching. Y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. Man, give that junk to God and keep it pushing, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This is a dub. Big W's in the chat, you feel me? Come on, man. It's me.